The Fed is set to cut rates this year. Here are the Asian currencies that stand to benefit. A weak US dollar is generally positive for emerging markets, which is often the case when the Fed cuts interest rates outside of an economic crisis. The Indian rupee is likely to strengthen, benefiting from carry trades in hopes that the Reserve Bank of India may loosen its monetary policy more slowly than peers. Improving economic prospects in South Korea and the Fed easing will help boost the won. EU missed a trick with fiscal rule revamp, Scope Rating says. Bloomberg, the European Union's new fiscal framework got only a lukewarm welcome from Scope Ratings, which warned the outcome will probably cut public investment without increasing compliance. In a report released Monday, the Berlin-based credit assessment company said the bloc didn't go far enough revamping its regime to curb debt and deficits, and that it risks acting as a brake on the region's ambitions. Minutes of the Monetary Policy Meeting of the Reserve Bank Board. Members present: Michelle Bullock, Governor and Chair; Ian Harper-Au, Carolyn Hewson-Au, Stephen Kennedy PSM, Ian Ross-Au, Alana Rubin AM, Carol Schwartz-Au, Allison Watkins AM. Others present: Christopher Kent, Assistant Governor, Financial Markets; Marion Kohler, Head, Economic Analysis Department; Tom Rosewall, Deputy Head, Economic Analysis Department; Anthony Dickman, Secretary; David Norman, Deputy Secretary; Sarah Hunter, Assistant Governor, Economic; Penelope Smith, Head, International Department; Carl Schwartz, Acting Head, Domestic Markets Department; Meredith Beachy Osterholm, Future Hub; Sally Cray, Chief Communications Officer. Key events this week: Nvidia earnings and FOMC minutes. It's a quiet start to the week thanks to the President's Day holiday in the US, and it's also a relatively quiet week on the data front. However, as DB's Jim Reed writes in his weekly preview, it's a reflection of the world we live in that the most important event of the week may be Nvidia's earnings on Wednesday. Indeed, Nvidia is now the fourth largest company in the world and the best performer in the S&P 500 so far this year, plus 46.6% YTD, so this will be very important for sentiment. PBOC Rate CUT LPR, 1 year 3.45%, prior 3.45%, 5 year 3.95%, prior 4.20%. People's Bank of China policy rate setting. LPR set at 3.45% for the 1 year, previously 3.45%, 3.95% for the 5 year, previously 4.20%. First cut to the 5 year since August, it was only 10 BP that time. 25 BP is the largest cut ever. The 5 year rate serves as an influence on mortgage rates. The cut to the 5 year will therefore be a positive for China's deeply troubled property sector. Thank you.